And I don't know, like, tiwala lang siguro na parang you just let go. And then, naiyak na ako. You just let go. Tapos, nagulat ka na lang. Nagawa mo na pala. Tapos, marami na especially si Cathy. She's talagang sobrang grateful ako na nakilala ko si Cathy kasi isang tingin lang namin sa isa't isa. Bigla na lang, iyakan na kaming dalawa. Parang there's this connection and parang na-build there's something special between the two of us. Not romantic, but, you know, ang lalim ng connection na yun eh. Tapos, also, si Nanay Ami, of course, sobrang parang siyang nag-iina talaga sa akin. Kasi, miss ko yung mga pagkain niya. Parati siya nagdadala every single day. Parati initay namin. Si Nanay Ami ba dumating na? Kasi hindi mo na
siya naka-catering.
Ano pa nga ba? Napakadami yung mga, ang mamamiss ko rin, especially yung mga sampalan, ganyan, tsaka yung mga bash ng tao. Kasi feeling ko, ako yung pinakamaraming nakukuhang bashers, mga bashing. Ayun, thank you. But, ayun na nga. So parang, yung mga bash na yun, minsan, it hurts me, especially nung una ko, in the beginning, hurt ako, kasi tao lang ako. But, alam nyo, parang after a while, masasanay ka na lang na parang matatawa ka na lang sa kanila. Na parang...
Character mo lang talaga yun.
So, yung approach na ginawa ko, parang feeling ko, yung mga bashers na yan, I feel like, ginawa ko siyang parang it's a reminder, a constant reminder about your victories more than, you know, yung mga defeats mo.
Right.
Also, ang dami, lahat. Yung the people, yung si Sam, yung AD namin, nakakatawa yan. Sobrang pagod na kami lahat. Siya yung, you know, life of the set. Talagang, ano ba yun? Thank you, Sam, I love you. Tapos, ayun, lahat. Kumukuha, like yung friendship na nabuo, si Sissy. Sa totoo lang, siya yung naging, kala ko wala akong mahanap na kaibigan sa showbiz, but I think Sissy, I consider her as a friend, really, personally.
Pero marami siya sinasabi ng bakit.
Oo, narinig namin. Yan siya wala. Ginatuman.
Ito talaga. Okay, miss ko rin si Mr. Bogos. Totoo, promise. Okay lang na. Basta miss ko lahat. Everything about the show. Kaya, thank you so much, RSB, for hearing this story. Kasi, grabe, I'm very thankful. I'm very blessed. Thank you.
Thank you, Yam. Yan, ikaw naman yan. Your unforgettable moment dito sa Halik.
Siguro po para sa akin itong mapasama sa ganitong ka-successful na show, sobrang unforgettable na po. Hindi ko na po makakalimutan to for the rest of my life na naging si Jackie po ako. And of course, sobrang thankful ako kay Direk Ruel. Alam ko, Direk, maraming pwedeng maging Jackie, pero ako yung pinili mo na mapasama dito sa show mo. Kaya maraming salamat po. Sana hindi pa ito yung last na.
Gusto mo pa yung isa pang Jackie?
Isa pang Jackie.
Unforgettable moments, marami rin po. Siyempre yung mga sampalan namin ni Yam na medyo nagkakasakitan talaga kami na hindi maiiwasan. Yes, opo. Kapag nandun ka sa scene, mahirap kasi tumigilan ni isa.
Okay.
Bandaya or mag-alalay.
Oh.
Kasi syempre, pag napanood, mahahalata eh. So, minsan, hindi naiiwasan na, like yung una, di ba? Nag-ER siya. Nasaktan ko siya. Pero after naman nun, accident naman, hindi naman sinasabi.
Pero nung isang araw, pinatubo yung tenga niya eh.
Last time naman siya naman, tumubo yung tenga ko. Pero okay naman mo kasi yung mga ganun, hindi talaga rin may iwasan. Meron akong earrings kasi na bagong butas.
Okay.
Sa ulo scene namin.
Oh no.
Yes.
Sige, tingin mo na lang. Makakain tayo ganyan.
And of course, syempre po, itong idol natin dito.
Dito?
Siya yung talagang tumulong din sa akin sa lahat ng mga eksena. Kasi po, karamihan din talaga siya ako dahil hindi ko naman na-experience yung mga ganun na nangyari. Pero sa guidance ng mga directors at lalo na si Echo, sobrang sobrang mapagbigay ito eh. Sobrang generous niya. Gusto niya mapaganda talaga yung eksena. So, nandyan siya para tulungan kami.
Thank you, Yen.
Ang dami. Lahat sila ito. Siyempre, ang importante, sabi nga, dun tayo sa hindi nabibili ng pera. Yung friendship na nabuo dito sa show na to, yun ang hindi rin makakalimutan. At ako, kahit parati ako naiiwan sa Unit 1, every time na magsasama-sama kami sa Unit 2, sobrang saya. Parang parating namimiss yung isa't isa, super chika. Kung mapapansin nyo sa mga posts nila, parati ako missing in action. Kasi po, parati ako naiiwan sa Unit 1, sila dun sa Unit 2. But every time na magsasama-sama kami, sobrang masaya lang po. Tawa lang kami ng tawa. And siguro yun yung masarap dahil kahit na mabigat yung mga napapanood yung eksena, pero sa likod ng camera, sobrang magkakaibigan kami.
Alright. Thank you, Yen. Jericho, ikaw naman. After hearing yung mga sinabi nila, lalo yung sinabi ni Miss Amy Austria na susundan ka lang nila, kung ano yung energy mo, kung ano yung level mo, ikaw ang leader, ikaw ang kapitan ng barko nila. How does it feel?
How much time do I have? For someone who's to answer your question kasi parang malaking hindi ko alam, unaware ako na I put pressure on myself to make things better and beautiful. My manager, Tita Marines and Kuya Alan, they know this about me. I don't want to accept things as they are. And I will always change something. And I respect the writers and the creatives. And I'm a black and white person. I may be sweet, but I will say my piece. But after that, you will know that you're my friend. If I can talk to you professionally, you are my friend. So, with all, lahat ng nasa puso ko lang respect eh. But every time we have a scene, I see something different. Obviously, I spend a lot of, everyone spends a lot of time with their parents, so alam ko yung dynamics ng magulang. Diba? Alam ko yung mga pwedeng mangyari pag may bunsong kapatid, may mga ganyan, diba? Yung pwedeng sabihin ng character, we were given the responsibility to create a character, diba? So there are things that they allow us to do, like rewrite certain things, rewrite lines. Sometimes our directors allow us to even block ourselves and allow us to express. And that's something magical that happens on the set, and it's only born out of humility, acceptance, and collaboration. And that's what's important. So pag sinabi ni Nanay, bahala ka, I just agree with Yang na you just let it flow. You let it flow. And the most beautiful scenes na lumabas sa amin sa set were dahil sa improv. Right. Improv here, improv there, improv here, improv there. Improv talaga yung nangyari sa amin lahat. So we are so blessed to have our guide, our directors, diba, to guide us through it. Not to dictate, but to guide.
Yeah.
And the script is here. We all know that it's a soap opera, but no one here treated it as a soap opera. No one treated this thing as a soap opera. If we are talking about people watching on TV, 20 million views, everyone has an opinion about marriage. You are not creating a soap opera. You're creating a guide. So to me, I always say I owe it to my job. Whatever differences, misunderstandings that we have, I do not care. I owe it to my job to give you the best. So when I step out of the set, it's not me anymore. It's my responsibility. I'm getting paid to do this job with all my heart. So this is what I share with you. Obviously, the writers are all here. We want to write something about this day. And yung staff and crew namin, you guys all know how much I love you. The directors know how much I respect and love each and every one of you. But I will share something. The very first day that I met Christian Bables, he was so confused, and I will never forget that. He was so confused. We had FMR on the set, which is also a highly intelligent director, and he, iba siya mag-isip. Long story short,